Thai and Ocean Pump Co., Limited is a leading dredge pump machine exporter, which has been dedicating itself in supplying sand pumping and dredging equipment to worldwide customers since 2012. As a sophisticated grown team in Ocean Pump, before starting foreign trade business, we have already been devoting ourselves to domestic and abroad dredging undertakings for more than 20 years. Therefore, our team and our cooperative factory have rich experience in designing and manufacturing dredging machines. More than 4 series including 20 kinds of pumps in manufacturing, including dredge pumps, slurry pumps, gravel pumps, sand dredgers and related parts. We are always here to satisfy your requirements for pumping. It is very convenient for you to source sand suction pumps and dredge parts from our company. We have our own professional technique and engineering team who can help you to design or customize products. We have provided effective sand pumping and dredging equipment for over 60 countries. Our products are widely used for river sand pumping, mining pumping, pond dredging, reservoir dredging, tailing transportation, and land reclamation. We have customers from Southeast Asia like Malaysia and Indonesia, Central Asia like Kazakhstan, South America like Brazil and Africa like Nigeria, etc. Thai and Ocean Pump Co., Limited has a professional technical training, consultation, and site service team. All your inquiries and questions will be replied within 24 hours. Any requirements about our products, please feel free to contact us.